Hey guys, Lily Bean again with The Wolf Among Us. I'm not sure how the game is. I'm sorry, I'll turn it down a bit. But I'm going to just head back into it, so let's go. There's gonna be even more, problems with the loading now because I'm currently uploading the first part of this video on YouTube. So, there's that. So, gonna continue with episode 1. So, again, I'll do my best to cut out all the loading scenes. So this is the intro of the game, and it's fantastic. It's one of my favorite intros. If not probably my favorite intro to a game. Alright, episode 1, Faith. Even on my, shitty phone, these still look really nice. Oh, whoops. Where am I going? Let's look at the plaque.
Luxury apartments. Wish they wouldn't advertise that.
So these apartments suck. Suck butt. These are terrible apartments.
Snow can sometimes be a disciplinarian.
Don't want to walk on the grass, but let's look around. This way. This way. Wish I could look around a bit better. Uh-oh. I saw you. Stay off the grass.
There's no walking on the grass. Snow White's orders. She made a sign and everything.
I'll be sure to send her an apology.
Beauty.
Hello, Big B. I wasn't expecting anyone. I know this looks a little odd.
You're out pretty late.
Is there some sort of curfew I don't know about? What's with a third degree? Damn it, I'm late. Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier.
No, I'm gonna stay out of that.
Look, whatever it is, it's between you and Beast. I'm staying out of it.
I don't have time to go into it right now. I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
Can y'all hear it okay? I don't know. I don't know if you guys can hear
It's
it.
not what you might be thinking.
Why am I not charging? Phone, charge phone. Alright, whatever. Last us 2 into this. Let's go look at the desk. Hello? The fuck up. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, you
Obviously not.
Probably for the best.
What's this? Look at it. Don't look at it.
Flycatcher needs to dust this guy.
I'm gonna touch it. There's a lot of dust. Go to the mailbox. I'm gonna assume the slightly miscolored one is mine.
Been a while since I got any mail.
Let's look.
7th day in a row.
Wow. What's this?
Damn thing fell off again.
Oh, that's not nice.
Damn thing fell off again.
No, I want to put it back. How do I put it back? There it is.
How much longer is this gonna go on?
Why don't I have a plaque with a fancy name on it? What else is here? I think that's it.
Bigby, hey, wait up.
Oh god.
Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
No. No, I haven't seen her.
No, haven't seen her. Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you. Damn it. Something's going on.
Okay. Not about to get into that mess. Okay, you know what though? I don't think I've ever seen anyone tell the truth to Beast. I don't think I ever have. So maybe I'll play through this again, like if I finish it, and then like do I was saying like the opposite.
Damn, should have cracked a window.
Thanks, in here. Probably because of what's his name?
What a night.
Let's look in the refrigerator. Ice cubes, and it's empty. Can I fill the ice tray? Probably not. Refrigerator.
Why do I even own
Cigarettes.
Should have got a smaller one.
Excuse me. Cigarettes and ketchup. That's about what's in mine. Minus the cigarettes. Actually, I have quite a few things in my refrigerator at the moment. What is this? Bluebeard folder.
Bluebeard's file. Never trusted this guy.
Do I get to see it? No. What's this? Chinese food.
I don't
Yes.
even remember ordering that.
Ugh.
Probably a bad sign.
No, I don't think that's a good one, at least. Let's go. Oh, fan. Touch all the things.
At least this still works.
Are we sure?
Should help.
Yes, we are. Perfect. This guy. Hey, Colin. What's she doing?
Not again. Hey, Colin. chair, huh?
There's only the one.
I've only got the one. So yeah.
Thank you. Hi.
Got a smoke?
I love it when people ask dumb questions.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me. This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this. The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Bigby. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there. Calm down. I'm not sending you back. That for me? Nope. The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes. It also would have shown everyone how different you are now. That was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest. I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you. It wasn't murder. I was hungry. Yeah, well, I'm hungry now. You don't see me tearing the flesh off of your bones. But you would if you could.
Pigs eat everything. Probably.
But, no. Hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day. I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past. Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands. Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays. Wasn't
Not
my
my
fault.
fault.
I get the impression you say that a lot.
Be unimpressed then.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works? I don't know. How? By being big and being bad. By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
No.
Everyone. Name one. I don't actually know her name. Awesome. Great example. Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me. Will you shut up? Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
That's like the opposite of what I would do if my
Just
throat was
sit,
dry.
please. Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep? Yeah, all right. Probably. Thanks, Bigby.
Nap time. Nap time. Yes. Yes. Hello? There's no one home. Oh, it's my turn. Come here. Bigby. Bigby, don't do this to me. Hello?
Bigby!
Hello?
Snow?
Come with me.
Okay.
Snow? Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Hi.
Hello? Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
These walls are paper thin. We need
You
to
gotta
be
push the
careful.
button.
We'll talk outside.
Snooty, little snooty snoot. You'll find quickly, I don't really like Snow. I know there's supposed to be this whole love interest between the two of them, but I don't like Snow. Oh, excuse me. I have like, I don't know. Oh my god.
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right? Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown. She looks familiar.
A working girl?
A working girl? I'm a working. Oh.
Oh, my battery's dying.
He attacked her. I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible.
So, who found her?
Who found her?
I did. She was just like this. I didn't touch her. I grabbed Grimble's jacket to cover her with.
Okay.
I came to get you right away.
No one else was with you?
No. Bigby, did one of us do this?
Yes.
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. Have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
Okay.
Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it. She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
Oh my gosh, I just realized when Snow knocked on the door, he thought it would be this girl. Because remember, he told her to meet him at his office. But she was like, oh, I'll just come to your apartment.
It's her ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
I don't recognize it.
Neither do I.
I see the blood.
sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
Hi, kitty cow. Hi, baby.
We still have some time.
Come on.
Keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Let's go this way. This is where the blood was. Come here. I don't want to touch it. Hi, kitty cow. No, don't knock on the phone. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch you too.
Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour maybe.
Oops. Wait, no.
Just some loose trash.
There's a pocketbook laying there. What was on the ground over here? Scrap of fabric.
No signs that it's been here long.
Hi, kitty girl. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, up.
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
Let's look at the fence, because there's... Oh, let's look at it.
Yep, more blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, and left the trail I found earlier.
Earlier, as if it was like 20 minutes.
Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough.
Sorry for that noise in the background. One, it's my cats, and two, it's really windy where I am.
Can't even find their way here.
It's super windy. Hi, kitty girl. Let's come this way. Bushes.
Nobody there.
Are we sure? Should we step in to find out? No. We should not. Okay, this way. Alright, there's nothing over here, so we'll come back and talk to Snow. If I learn to walk properly. Talk.
Hey, Snow. You alright?
Yes, thanks. But you should hurry. We don't have much time left.
Alright.
We should head back inside soon.
Yes, I'm done. What is this? Show it to her. Compare fabric. To what?
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Big Pete, do you have any idea what's going on?
This is a message.
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
The woodsman threatened to kill her with me in the room. Maybe he wants me to know that he did it.
I suppose it's possible. I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him.
We should wait until we have more to tell him. Right now, all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that. I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it. Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
Alright. I am going to end this as 20 minutes long. It's under 20 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and if you like this video, please definitely make sure to leave a nice comment down. But my channel does not. See you in the next one. Bye!